Launched with the creative vision and generosity of David M. Rubenstein, the Library of Congress Literacy Awards recognize and promote the achievements of organizations whose innovative, research-based practices are increasing literacy worldwide. A committee of literacy experts evaluated nominations for their innovation, sustainability, replicability, measurable results, and use of evidence-based practice. The judges presented their findings to the Librarian of Congress, who selected the 2020 winners. The $50,000 International Prize goes to the International Rescue Committee, Incorporated, Pakistan Reading Project, New York, New York. The IRC's Pakistan Reading Project supports regional and provincial education departments to improve literacy and reading skills of public school children in grades 1 and 2 throughout Pakistan. The project focuses on teacher training and the development of materials for students and educators in local languages, as well as policy reform and community-based support for reading. As of December 2019, the project's services had reached more than 1.7 million students and trained more than 27,000 teachers. The $50,000 American Prize goes to the Immigrant Learning Center, Malden, Massachusetts. The ILC addresses the needs of low-income immigrants and refugee adults in the greater Boston area. ILC serves 425 students at any given time and maintains a waitlist of 700. The center provides English for speakers of other languages classes. They also help immigrants learn how to navigate American educational, business, and social systems. The center has served over 10,500 immigrants since their beginning in 1992. The following organizations are recipients of the David M. Rubenstein Special Response Awards. This one-time award opportunity was introduced this year to recognize previous award recipients who were responsive to the unique needs presented by COVID-19 and recent social unrest. The first of three $50,000 Special Response Awards goes to the National Center for Families Learning, Louisville, Kentucky. NCFL works to eliminate poverty through educational solutions for families. During the COVID-19 pandemic, the center has focused on the digital divide by partnering with school districts and other community-based organizations to provide technology and Wi-Fi access, including mobile bus hotspots. The organization has also addressed food insecurity and social isolation. In Louisville, Kentucky, NCFL partnered with a local nonprofit to produce public service announcements about the virus. Louisville has been on the forefront of social unrest due to the fatal shootings of Breonna Taylor and David McAtee. NCFL has condemned these acts of violence and are taking actionable steps to use their platforms for social justice. The second $50,000 Special Response Award goes to Pratham Books, Bengaluru, India. Pratham Books, a children's book publisher, has helped millions of children gain access to print and digital books in multiple languages. Storyweaver, Pratham's online digital repository of multilingual children's stories, has over 23,000 stories in 259 languages and continues to grow. During the first 4 months of COVID-19, 3,000 books were translated into 28 new languages, including books about the coronavirus, health and hygiene, and social and emotional issues. They also created programs that can be used in low-resource environments, including a Learn-at-Home program, thematic reading lists, audio-visual books, and a phone-based dial-a-story program that allows a child to locate a story in a chosen language by dialing a toll-free number. The third $50,000 Special Response Award goes to Room to Read, San Francisco, California. Room to Read seeks to transform the lives of millions of children in low-income communities by focusing on literacy and gender equality in education. Their Literacy in Primary School initiative helps children become independent readers through community engagement, provision of quality books and teaching tools, and advocacy beyond the classroom. The Girls Education in Secondary School initiative supports girls in building skills to succeed academically and make key life decisions through mentorship and other means. In response to COVID-19, Room to Read's digital platform, Literacy Cloud, expanded to include over 1,000 original Room to Read children's book titles in 19 languages. To date, Room to Read has worked in 16 countries, benefiting 20 million children. The Library of Congress Literacy Awards program is also honoring 15 additional organizations for their implementation of best practices in literacy promotion. These best practice honorees received $5,000 each. Collectively, these winners and best practice honorees spotlight the great efforts underway to promote literacy and respond to the needs of our time. Thank you to our Literacy Awards Program Advisory Board for judging and recommending this year's winners. Once again, congratulations to our 2020 Literacy Award winners.